Alright, so find an equation for the following arithmetic sequence. What you need to do is identify the common difference. So it's going to be y equals the common difference and times x plus the zero number. Or basically, if you're thinking of the change, the slope times x plus the number when x is 0. So here x is 1, 2, 3, 4 for the first, second, third, fourth term. So our zero number is going to be whatever continues the pattern back here. So since it's going up by 2's, continue it back, this has to be a -4. So our zero number is -4, and our common difference is a +2. Alright, the other way you can look at this is the change in x equals 1, and the change in y equals 2. So the slope is 2 over 1, which we get here. And then when x is 0, we have the y-intercept, which is 4. It's two ways of thinking about the same problem. Either way, you get y equals 2x minus 4. What you want to do after you get the equation is test it with a couple of your points to make sure that it really works, that you didn't make some sort of error. So plug in, I don't know, a 4. If we plug in 4 for x, we should get 4 for our answer. So what's 2 times 4? That's 8. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. So when we plug in x is 4, we get y equals 4, which works. So y varies directly as x. What that means is that essentially it goes through the point 0, 0. Alright, so on our graph, it goes through the origin. So that tells us our y-intercept. We know right now that our y-intercept is 0. Alright, it also gives us a second point on the line. The first point they give us is when y is 15, x is -3. So that gives us the point -3, 15. So now we can find our equation, and if we get a y equals mx plus b equation, our y-intercept is 0 because it goes through the origin. So really we're just looking for a y equals mx equation. Once we have our equation, we can plug in whatever they give us to find the unknown. So first we get our slope. That's 15 minus 0 over -3 minus 0. And that gives us 15 over -3, which equals -5. So that's our slope. So our equation is y equals -5x. That's the slope that is direct variation and contains these points. When x is -3, y is 15. So now they give us x is 7. So we just plug that in for x. We get y equals -5 times 7 equals -35. That's the answer.